Welcome friends to BT 2017 DBT JRF exam solved questions. Please like our YouTube channel and subscribe it. Question: we have a ladder of 5 meter length is standing against the wall. The distance between the wall and the base of the ladder is 4 meter. If the top of the ladder slips by 0.5 meter, the foot of the ladder will shift by how much? So there are the four options. So let us see the question once again. Ladder is 5 meter in length. So here we have a ladder of 5 meter length and it is standing against the wall, and it is standing against this wall. The distance between the wall and the base of the ladder is 4 meter. So here this is the 4 meter, the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall. If the top of the ladder slips by 0.5 meter, this is the top of the ladder and it slips by 0.5 meter, then it is obvious that the ladder's foot will slip in this direction, not in this direction, else the ladder will get shortened. So ladder will be of same size, so if it slips down, then it will slip this side. So if it slips by 0.5 meter, then ladder foot will shift by how much it has been asked. So as we can see, the angle between the wall and the floor is always 90 degrees. So this solves our make our questions easy. We can easily apply Pythagoras theorem as this is as a 90-degree angle. So simple. We have here 5 meter hypotenuse, 4 meter base. So what will be this perpendicular? It will come out to be 3 meter by applying Pythagoras theorem. Meter. Now again we will have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Again it will be again this will also be a 90-degree triangle, right angle triangle. So now new length will be 3 minus 0.5. the new length of this from this to this, from this point to this point, will be 3 minus 0.5. it will be 2.5. so new perpendicular will be 2.5, and hypotenuse will remain the same. This hypotenuse is 5 meter, so it will remain same, and we will have to calculate the base. So base will come out to be 4.33 by solving. This comes out to be 4.33 meter. 4.33 meter. So 4 is this and 4.33 is from this to this. So the extra length is 0.33 meter. You can easily calculate from here, and here we have the answer B. Please like our YouTube channel and subscribe it. Thank you friends.